Title: Exploring Animals and Their World, a fun look at zoology. Introduction. Zoology is a super interesting science that teaches us about animals. It's like being a detective who studies different animals to understand how they live and why they do the things they do. In this essay, we'll learn all about zoology, including its history, the different things scientists study, how they do their research, and why it's important for animals and us. History of zoology. Long, long ago, people from ancient civilizations like the Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans started learning about animals. One important person was Aristotle, a smart Greek philosopher. He studied animals and organized them based on their bodies. Throughout time, scientists invented tools like microscopes to help them see tiny details and learn even more about animals. 2. Key branches of zoology. 1. Comparative anatomy. Comparative anatomy helps scientists compare and understand the bodies of different animals. They look at things like bones, organs, and muscles to see how animals are similar or different. This helps them learn about how animals have changed and adapted over time. 2. Animal physiology. Animal physiology is like learning about how animal bodies work. Scientists study how animals breathe, eat, move, and do all the things they need to survive. They want to know how animals' bodies function and how they respond to their environments. 3. Animal behavior. Animal behavior is all about how animals act and communicate with each other. Scientists study things like how animals find food, how they take care of their babies, and how they interact with other animals. This helps them understand why animals do certain things and how they live in groups or alone. 4. Evolutionary biology. Evolutionary biology is like studying how animals have changed over a really long time. Scientists want to know how animals have evolved and adapted to their environments. They look at things like genes and fossils to learn about the history of different species. 5. Ecology. Ecology is the study of how animals interact with each other and their environment. Scientists look at things like where animals live, how they find food, and how they help the environment. They want to understand how animals fit into their habitats and how they help keep nature balanced. 3. Research methods in zoology. Scientists use different ways to learn about animals. Some of the methods they use are: 1. Field research. Field research is when scientists go out into nature to watch and study animals in their natural homes. They take notes and gather information about how animals live and behave in the wild. 2. Laboratory experiments. Laboratory experiments are when scientists do tests and observations in a controlled environment, like a special room or a lab. This helps them learn more about specific things, like how animals react to certain situations. 3. Molecular techniques. Molecular techniques are fancy tools that help scientists study things on a very tiny level, like genes and molecules. They can use these techniques to learn about the relationships between different animals and how they've evolved. IV. Importance of zoology. 1. Conservation and biodiversity. Zoology helps us understand and protect animals and their homes. Scientists learn about endangered species and habitats and work to keep them safe. They want to make sure that animals and their homes are protected for the future. 2. Human health. Zoology is also important for human health. Scientists study diseases that can be passed between animals and humans, called zoonotic diseases. They help us understand how these diseases spread and how to prevent them. 3. Animal welfare. Zoology helps us learn about animals' feelings and well-being. This knowledge helps us take care of animals in a way that keeps them happy and healthy. It also helps us make rules to protect animals and treat them with kindness. In conclusion, zoology is an exciting science that teaches us about animals and their world. Scientists use different branches of zoology to learn how animals live, how they've changed over time, and how they interact with their environment. By understanding animals, we can help protect them, keep ourselves healthy, and make sure they're treated well. Zoology helps us appreciate the amazing creatures that share our planet and take care of them for the future.